Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Nature's Guardian Natural Flea and Tick Squeeze-On. Okay, yeah, now this is very good for cats that have flea and tick problem. Yeah. My cat is a blue Russian, and he was usually indoors, and there was a time where we decided to let him go outside, and lo and behold, he came back with fleas. He must have met up with another cat or something, I don't know, but he came back with fleas, and we didn't notice it for maybe about a week. And he was scratching a lot, and we looked and we saw some fleas on him. So we ended up getting some flea medicine, and this is what we got. And this worked very well. I mean, we noticed a difference almost right away. So basically how you apply it is, this is a brand new one, and what you do is you cut this part off here, and with your hands you gotta hold your cat, and right between the cat's shoulder blades in the back of him, you would squeeze this all along his neck there, and get it separate the hairs a bit, and put it on his skin. Don't put it just directly on the hairs. You got to get it on his skin. That's very important. Yeah, so get it all on there. Squeeze the entire contents onto his neck. Yeah. Then after you apply this, just hold him or her for like a few minutes, just to let the solution get into his skin without, him walking around or, anything, You just want him, let it sit there and absorb into his skin, Then just let him go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this empty thing here and I'll wrap it up with a paper towel and throw it away. That's going to be it. Now, if you have like more than one cat and they like to, sometimes if you have two cats, they like to clean themselves or clean each other, by licking, licking all over each other, trying to clean one another. Don't let that happen for like a few hours when this has been applied, because they will lick it right off, and you don't want that. So yeah, but this takes the fleas and ticks away, and it works for a long time. We didn't have a flea and tick problem we didn't have to do it again for about a month. About a little over a month. Yeah, we applied it another one because we continued letting my cat go outside, and we still do now that we have this kind of control over it, So it's a good little product to make sure fleas don't infest your little animal and doesn't get all over your house. Yeah, do all your cats, if you have more than one, do both of them, So yeah, I like this a lot, and I did not think I would, because this is the first time I used a flea and tick killer that wasn't in the collar form or the powder form. I didn't see how this was going to get all over his body. I didn't understand the science behind it, but it works. It does. It gets in there. I guess they know what they're doing. Yeah, and this is very economical. It doesn't cost very much at all to buy. You won't have to buy it very much at all. And it works really well. I like it a lot, and we've used it for the last year now. It's served us well, very well. Yeah, my cat, it didn't irritate his skin at all. He didn't even notice that it was on him. He thought we were just petting him, So they're not going to really feel anything. They're not going to get irritated or any kind of burning sensation or nothing. It's just on there, and that's all there is to it. But it's good. It really is. I like it a lot. It did well for my cats. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Nature's Guardian Natural Flea and Tick Squeeze-On. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.